Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I took a trade. Okay, as you can see, our 1 hour bias is bullish. We had a break of structure, so I went to the 15 minutes and I marked the order block that broke structure. So now I went to the 5 minutes, and what I did, I waited for change of character and I entered the trade. Okay, so I entered here, my stop loss was here, so these green lines were my TPs. Okay, so what I did is I took 50% here. Okay, it's 1 to 0.4 risk reward ratio. It's not very good. Okay, but I took 50% here, and I was having TP2, TP3 and TP4. Okay, so what happened is I took my take profit here and I placed my stop loss right here. Okay, so my first TP was here and I took 50% and my stop loss went up there. Okay, so let me explain what happened. When I got my first TP, for example, let's say that I'm risking $1, so I got out 50 cents. Okay, and what I did, I placed my stop loss. Hello? لا 2.5 ساعة. Okay. But so I placed my stop loss here. What does it mean? Let's say that I was risking $1. Okay, so I got up here, I took 40% of my $1, so I took out here 40 cents. Then when I got stopped here, I lost 20 cents. So my total trade was profitable 20 cents in every dollar that I'm risking. Okay, since I got stopped out. So it means that, for example, let's say that I was risking $10. I won in total, after I lost my trade, $2. So I was profitable even when I got stopped. Okay, so that's why it's very important to have different TPs and move your stop loss. But let's say that I kept my stop loss here and I didn't have my first TP. Good, so I was aiming for this as my first TP, or let's say this as my first TP. So price could retest it here, and then now it's pushing up towards here. So it tells me that my trade that I took was profitable, but if I waited and if I was patient and I didn't move my stop loss and I didn't take my first take profit here, it was a little bit riskier than taking profit here and moving your stop loss, but it could have been more profitable. Okay, so in every trade that you take, you need to analyze it and you need to understand what's happening. Okay, so this is the law. If you can see that we had different laws here. Okay, so it's something like taking liquidity and then pushing up. Okay, so you could wait for retest and you could enter from the retest. Okay, so you could enter, this is the high. Okay, so right up here, right here. So you could have entered from the retest and have the same TPs but better profitability. Okay, so in every trade that you take, you can analyze it and look what's happening. Look. Okay, so since we got stopped, we were still in a profitable trade, but we could have taken a better trade. Okay, so we could now, this is the trade that you could have taken. You've had this first TP, you got 50% out here, and you move your stop loss to the recent low that broke structure. Okay, so you can see we have a change of character here. So this is the low that changed character at higher time frame, which means that we can move this stop loss to here. Okay, you can see we might hit our second TP, take 50%, third TP, take 50%. So what I learned today from this trade that I took, which I got stopped right there, although I didn't lose money, but I didn't make money, which is not good enough. Okay, so I'm trading because I want to make consistent money. It's not about not losing, about making money. So if I waited for retest and entered on the retest, I could have made more money. So this is our second TP hit, and maybe our third TP will get hit, and our fourth TP will get hit too. Okay, as you can see, this is the highs. Okay, these are the highs that broke structure to the downside. So price might go and get rejected from these areas. That's why they are our TPs. Okay, so you can see that in every trade, if you analyze what happened and what you could have done, you will see that you will become a better trader. So for now on, I will not always wait, but if I see that price is not pushing high fast enough, I will know that price will retest the area and push higher. So it means that this is the order block that broke structure to the upside, and price is retesting this order block, and I might waited for a retest and entered after the retest. Okay, so as you can see, we hit two take profits, 50 by 50, and our stop loss is right here. So if we get stopped, we are still in a profitable trade. So that's why it's very important to take different levels of take profits. Okay, and to move your stop loss, so that if price gets on the opposite way that you are predicting, you will not lose money you will make money. Okay, so every trade that you take is very important to analyze it from an objective point of view. Okay, so you can't be subjective and I feel wrong and no, what I did is wrong and I will not, I feel angry and I go and put more money now since it went up. I put more money here and if price goes down, oh, I lost, price is pushing down, let me get in, then I lose also the other trades. It's not like this. Okay, so you need to always take control of your emotions and play by the rules. Okay, so even though today I did not make money and I learned something new, but I will continue using the same strategy that I used today to enter my trade. I will continue waiting for order block that caused break of structure to be hit. I will take partial take profits. I will move my stop loss and I will see for the next 20 trades if it will be profitable or not. In this way, I know that I'm in the right mentality but wrong edge, wrong strategy. So I will be changing my strategy, not mentality. Okay, so it's very important to focus on your mentality and sample strategies so that you can have one strategy that has a decent risk reward ratio with decent percentage of win rate, and in this way you will become a consistent profitable trader. I hope, guys, that these explanations make sense to you. You know now how to think as a professional trader, and you know that you need patience. Okay, patience is key to success and you need to be patient. If you see this video and think that is beneficial, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.